So today we're at London Zoo, and this event has been an opportunity to meet colleagues from Kerv and Genesys and from Microsoft to understand how we can work together better. So we've worked very closely with Kerv to deliver a contact centre solution, and on the back of that we found that we've got opportunities with our HR department and our claims management system. It took us 7 weeks from the idea to implementing it for HR and for claims management. So I've been presenting today about the opportunities to use Kerv and Genesys products so we can deliver contact centre solutions. For us, the Genesys part of the solution meant that we'd got out-of-the-box capabilities that we could exploit very quickly. So we introduced call steering, call recording and other features that were readily available to us, but they were only configured according to our needs, they weren't standardised. My challenges from a customer point of view are to deliver capabilities that allow people to interact with us more effectively. So our feedback so far has been that the customers really like the new solution that we implemented. They're really positive about it from the early days because we engaged with them. Personally, I would recommend working with Kerv because I found that they're very responsive, they listen to us and they work collaboratively to help us get results.